It has been a minute, hasn't it, everyone? So I am back again with another garden update. Right now it is March coming to April, and the last video I filmed was probably a clip in January, so let me catch you up a bit. So glad to say that the garden survived the rainy season and we are preparing for another sunny, really hot season coming up, I suppose. So if you guys are new to this channel, I'm Karen, a pastry chef based in Jakarta, and I post baking tutorials and random updates about my garden. So in this video, I'm gonna catch you guys up on what's been happening in this garden for the past 2 months, and maybe we can sow some seeds together and also talk a bit about my very clueless composting routine that I have, which I need to change. I will need you guys to help me out here. Comment down below if you can teach me a thing or two about composting. So let's start with right at the back over there. Here we have the carrot pot. So I sowed a pack of 50, but only one dude managed to survive. Just one. Let's see what's up. There is actually really a carrot. Oh my god. It still looks kind of small, so I'm gonna leave it. There are a couple of garlic as well. And over here we have the napa cabbages. I am trying to get them to head, and then maybe they might turn white. And it looks like it's working. It's just that I'll probably eat them because I'm too impatient. And the lemon tree is way out of head. It has grown all the way out here. New buds constantly forming. A little update on the vanilla bean plant, and it is climbing. So in this unruly box is actually lettuces. I started this pointed leaf lettuce and it seems to be working out fine. So I direct sowed them in here and let them grow into a big mess, and I just chop off the outside bits of it. So you can tell that they are pretty leggy. See, from one leaf, the stem is super long before it gets to the top, which means it's not enough sun, but it still tastes good. So if you look over here, we have a box of just bok choys, and a random melon plant decided to pop up out of nowhere. Well, you're welcome to join. And insanely, it actually fruit. A fruit! So exciting! So this guy just appeared. I guess it was the seeds from the previous time I planted melons, and it decided to pop up now. And look how pretty. It's so big. I managed to actually hand pollinate that thanks to all the comments you guys been saying to hand pollinate the flowers, and it's been working like a charm. So if you remember from the previous videos, this is my ginseng java plant that I really love to eat, and I've been propagating these and it gave me all that. Amazing. I also added more on this side. So if we move over here, there is my really sad looking kale that's not doing very well, honestly. I don't know what happened. Even this guy is about to die. And it is actually gonna be its birthday soon. How sad. I probably germinate more new kale. I think because it was like infested with bugs the other day. This here is my favorite leaf to eat right now. It is a Brazilian spinach, and you probably saw it in the previous video where I was potting them up, and they were just small little plants, just one, and I propagated it till this much. It's amazing. Love it so much, and it grows so fast. Tastes super good. There is an empty box here. I probably will be propagating more of them and putting it all on this rack. And this is a very little sad corner that used to be all herbs, but they died, and this is now spinach, which is working out fine for me. This is not so great. The mint is still fighting to be alive, and there are some spinach and it is infested with mealybugs as well. Now onto my tomato plants. Well, today is not a great day to see it because there's not much fruit. However, look how much vining action has been going on, twirling around and around. And I have been very diligent on my pruning, making sure there's very little suckers. There are new flowers, new fruits, ripe fruit. Very happy with these. On this side, I still have some Napa cabbages left behind from July, and they are still thriving. I'm still eating the outside leaves and it's giving me so much. And some more wonky ass lettuce. See how leggy that is? How crazy this looks. It goes up and down. At least it's not bolting and it still tastes good. And this is white bok choy. Oh, and remember the dragon fruit? It looks bigger, doesn't it? That's been what's up in this balcony so far. And now let's go head back inside and germinate some new seeds. Okay, so I'm gonna do this direct sow into the pot again. Some more bok choy maybe? I will need some advice on composting. Let me bring out my composter for you. So this is my composter. I got it a few months back online, and it comes with this tab that supposedly has liquid coming out, but no liquid has ever came out of this place, ever. Don't know what I'm doing wrong, but obviously I'm doing something wrong. And I'm a bit scared to open it. Well, it's kind of filled, so... Oh! Not sure if you can tell, but they're like mealybugs. Are you even allowed to put them into the compost? I guess so, right? Like, I chucked in watermelon skin and dragon fruit skin a few weeks ago, and I honestly can't find it. What? Wow, amazing. This is way better than I expected. Did it really disappear? I'm really amazed. I haven't checked this for months now. Did it really work? I don't know. Is this supposed to be what it looks like? Please tell me I'm doing something right. I mean, and it doesn't even smell. Well, I'm gonna leave this as is. Let it do its thing. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing with this bucket right now. I've just been chucking random garden clippings or any leftover fruit peels inside and chucking in more soil, and they give me this thing to sprinkle on. And I just keep doing that, but obviously there's something wrong. I don't know, in my head I just hoping that it might just turn into black gold somehow, magically. I think future me will be watching this and laughing at how clueless I am with composting. But any kind soul out there can tell me what I can do better on this guy, that would be great. And we'll see this again maybe in the next video, maybe, if I want to open it. I always think there's a monster inside somehow. So that is it from me today. Anybody out there thinking of starting a garden right now in a polluted city like Jakarta, yes, you can do it. It is possible. And for those of you who stuck around and watched till the end, thank you so much. Like the video if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to keep up with this garden, and I'll see you in the next one.